In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer using Canva. We'll embark on a creative journey that is both simple and effective, allowing you to produce professional quality flyers in no time at all, even if you're brand new to design. So let's dive in, shall we? First things first, you'll want to open Canva on your preferred browser and sign in. Canva is a fantastic online design tool that's incredibly user-friendly and packed with a plethora of design templates perfect for any occasion. Once you're logged in, the process begins quite straightforwardly. Start by typing flyer in the search bar. This will bring up a wide array of templates specifically for flyers. Don't hesitate to take your time exploring. There's a broad spectrum of themes and styles available, ensuring you'll find something that resonates with your vision. Once you've settled on a template that appeals to you, go ahead and select it. This template will be your canvas, your starting point to unleash your creativity. Simply click on your chosen flyer template and you'll see an option to customize it. Clicking on customize this template will open up the design in the editor where the fun truly begins. Now that you're in the editor, the real magic happens. You'll find that every element of the template is customizable. Perhaps you want to change the text to reflect your event details or promotional message. Simply click on the text box you want to alter. Canva's editor makes text customization a breeze. Adjust fonts, sizes, colors, or alignment effortlessly to ensure your messaging pops. Make sure your text is not only clear but also compelling to engage your audience. But don't stop there. Take the time to swap out any images if they aren't quite what you're envisioning. Canva allows you to drag and drop images, whether it's from its extensive library or your computer. This flexibility means you can bring a personal touch or company branding into your design. Whether it's a striking background photo or an eye-catching logo, customize those visual elements to elevate your flyer to another level. Finally, once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to save and share your flyer. Canva gives you various download options like PNG, JPEG, or even PDF, making it easy to print or distribute digitally. Simply click on the download button, choose your preferred format, and your fantastic new flyer will be ready to use in your marketing efforts or personal project. Remember, designing with Canva is not just about technical skills, but about creativity and storytelling. Your flyer should convey the right message and feel just the way you want it. So have fun with these steps and let your flyer be a vibrant expression of your ideas. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel empowered to design your own stunning flyers with ease. Happy designing.